Welcome back to the channel. Please like, subscribe, and show support to this channel because I'm here to teach you what's going on in the market and how can we profit. How did I clear over 14K today by buying the dip? What did I do? What has contributed to my success of clearing over 14K in a day in the market? So welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe and let's stay tuned. So what happened today is a fake news came out that the president was negotiating and was going to hold the tariff for 90 days, but then a press conference of the White House clearing that up and said, "Hey, nothing like this happened." But there are some stocks that you can definitely benefit from. One of the stock that I benefit from, I'm going to share with you today. Why? Because it's very aggressive, and I'm buying to hold. Why? Because I think in the future, this stock, when all of this is said and done, this stock can come, it can double, triple your account just by buying the dip. I always wait for times like this. Why? Because in the past, when stuff like this happen, if you have the right money on hand and wait for the right time, you can benefit tremendously from the tariff formula. So I want to go over the president is currently negotiating with other countries to come down on their tariff. And with that said, any moment this guy can address the nation and say, hey, this is what's going on, and it's going to cause the stock market again to rally like we saw today. We hit 3 year low. So for the last 3 years, all the gain that your stock has had accomplished, all the profit that you had made, it was wiped out in a matter of couple of days. So the wiped out start from, I would say, February 17th and to current date. You have wiped out every single thing, because the last time the market was trading here, this was January of 23. I would say 22, 23, we were trading around this. Yep, 2023. So 2 years ago, December, we were trading around this area. So we had wiped out everything that we had gained. Some stock has been the lowest since 2020, and we are not sure what to come in the future. But again, what I've contributed to my success today of clearing over 14K in the market is that I waited and I waited and I waited. You can never time the market correctly, but again, we can show our support here, or we can continue to fall to our 200-day moving average. Again, strongly looking for Wednesday. I strongly have a positive vibe that market will continue to pull back, and you will not get just a sudden rally like this going upwards. I don't think so, unless the president adjusts the nation. But one of the stock that contributed to my success today was nothing other than SMCI. You can see that normally we find support right here. So this morning when the market was down over 1,000 points, I took the initiative to got some to obtain some shares at $25 a share, and I held and I'm still holding those shares. That's one of the stock that I'm watching. Also, Microsoft is a strong stock that I recommend anytime over all of these stocks. You can see that everyone is still down, and AMD just hit 52-week low as well as Nasdaq. So you might want to look into AMD as well, because it shows a strong upside from here as the market is melting down. And one of my favorite stock for this year is going to be Reddit. Don't leave Reddit out, because when they move, when markets start to recover, like we have seen today, just a slight recover in the market, you could definitely gonna see an upside from most of the stock. But which one of these stock will move aggressively? Reddit is one of them that you want to keep your eye out on. And don't forget about SoFi. Even though I still see pressure coming down in SoFi, don't forget, it's very relatively cheap stock, $9.86 currently selling, and it's one of my major play going forward. So when this market recover, I can take advantage of that. So you want to stay tuned, like and subscribe, and let me know any comments that you have. But for the rest of the week, we still have some economic data in the forecast that's going to either cause us great, tremendous pain, or it's going to help us to recover from what's going on. So we're looking for Thursday and Friday, which is PPI, core PPI, and CPI, and initial claim and continuous claim. So boy, this week is packed. So even if Monday and Tuesday bring you profit, be on the lookout for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We can still find ourselves in some deep, deep Red Sea coming from the president and coming from the economy, because a lot of folks are predicting that we're going to end up in a recession. Some are saying that we're in a recession right now, but the whole world is feeling this pressure. When America do stuff like this, the whole world feels it. Over 50 other countries feels it. So again, stay tuned. That's all I have for today. Not going to keep you long. Like and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel.